Hey fellow RVers, Matt here with WildWater RV Rain Catchment Solutions. I'm here to do a quick install video on the brand new patent pending RainHarvest PRO custom gutter spouts. These custom gutter spouts are designed to replace your standard RV gutter spouts and interface with a standard garden hose so you can catch or divert rainwater or snowmelt. The first thing you want to do when preparing to install is view our user manual. So you can find the user manual for this product on our website, wildwaterrv.com, under the resources tab. So let's go ahead and jump into the install. All right, first step is to remove the old factory RV gutter spout. So I'll start by removing some of the caulk, and then we'll pull the gutter spout off of the rail here.
Most factory spouts will have two screws holding it in place. After removing them, I'll use the same screws to install the new RainHarvest PRO spouts. Make sure to drill corresponding holes with the correct size drill bit. Now all that's left to do is apply the silicone caulk to ensure a tight connection.
All right, now that we have our RainHarvest PRO installed, we can hook up our hose. Use the female end of your hose to connect to the bottom of the RainHarvest PRO. This way we can divert or collect rainwater or snowmelt. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you be prepared, camp sustainably, and stay out there longer.
Visit our website for more information on this product and other rain catchment solutions.